How to pin your post in your Instagram profile. So Instagram just recently launched this new feature across all the Instagram user. So now you can choose up to 3 posts or reels to pin to the top of your profile. So let me show you how you can do it. So first of all, you go to your Instagram profile, then you find the post that you wanted to pin. So for example, I want to pin this post, so just click on it and then click on the 3 dot at the top right, then you click pin to the profile, then you go back and you refresh, and you should be able to see it is on top right now. Now to unpin, it is very easy, just simple, go back to the same place, go back to the post, click on the 3 dot and click unpin from profile, and with that you can see that it is back to normal. So this is how to unpin the post. Now for this feature, it is only available in your phone or in mobile. I tried using the computer and as of now, it is still not able to be done using computer. So yeah, so this is how you can pin your posts or reels into the top of your profile. If you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. And with that, thank you so much for watching this video and I see you next time. Goodbye.